My name is Seth, Kwaku, Bani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this. Alright guys, so let's go into Photoshop and then bring your image and just drag it in there. Okay, now we are going to select our image and then make sure caps lock is also off, and then make sure it's plus, not this one. Okay, just like that. And then let's reduce the size a little bit. Okay, so something like this is good. Now let's go to the select a mask or refine edge depending on the version of Photoshop you are using, and then let's go to the what I'm looking for is not here. No, definitely no. Okay, we could use this, and then make sure your radius is like this. You come here and then you could push the smooth up a little bit, leave the feathers like that. You could also drag the contrast up a little bit and then shift the edge to the left side, makes it quite nicer. Go down, and then if it's like this, just click on output selection, click on decontaminate colors, and then click on new layer with layer mask, then click on OK. Now it's going to give you something like this. We are going to delete this one, and then so we have it like this with the background off. Great. So click over here and then go to solid color. Let's change the color to color white, and then let's drag it down. Now this is good. Alright, so let's pick our background. We're going to use this one. Actually, this is not a background, right? Okay, drag it up. Then let's reduce opacity to around 50%. Let's see how it will look like. Okay, let's shift it a little bit. So Ctrl T to transform it. Then do something like this. Now this is good. And then let's give it a mask. Let's clip it to the image. Now let's boost it to 100%. Awesome. You also want to duplicate it and then flip it vertical, and then flip it horizontal, and then drag it down. So look just quite the opposite of it. I think this is good. Also clip it, create clipping mask as well. Alright, now click on the first one, click on your brush tool, make sure you are using this particular brush, soft round brush with a hard to 0%, and then also make sure you click on the brush, click over here, make sure it's black, color black you select because you are going to mask it. Then click on this particular side. Okay, that's where the masking is going to be done. So also make sure the opacity is 100 and then the flow is also let's set the flow to 50%. In fact, let's click here. Let's push it up a little bit. Yeah, I think this is good. And then click over here, click on your brush, and then let's continue. Okay, awesome. So let's click here also, and let's clean this side. Click on X to toggle between white and black. We want this side to be white, so we want to bring a little bit of it in the face here, over here as well. Okay, and then also let's click over here. We want to clean this side. Click on X. Want to make sure here is black, and then we'll clean this side. Alright, something like this is good. Let's come back here and then make sure here is black. Let's go back to our solid color and let's click on the, I think the head area there. That color is quite good, matches nicely. Awesome. Let's see. So this is what we have now. Click on your background, click over here, the adjustment, and go and look for black and white, and then make sure it's clipped to it nicely. Now let's click over here on our mask, on our image of the person. Click on the mask and then just mask it. So something like this is also good. So now click here and then let's give it an overall color gradient. So let's go for curves. You could pull here to make the deeper side deeper. You see the deeper side deeper, and you could also pull here to make the brighter side brighter. Another way you could do it is just click over here and then pull this down and then pull this up a little bit. Same thing, get the same result. Let's set the landscapes to lighten and let's see how it's going to look like. Okay, and then click here. We have more work to do. Alright guys, so guys, this is how you create a double exposure in Photoshop. It's quite simple as ABCD. Please hit the bell icon, don't forget to subscribe as well, and leave some comments for me. And also I have some affiliate links down there, do check them out. If you love them, use them. I love you all guys, see you in the next tutorial. Peace out.